Hello friends, you're welcome to BSc World Academy. This channel is all about giving you the best scholarship updates across the globe, and as well as giving you the best guidelines and strategies on how to prepare for this scholarship. Please look around. I've prepared various videos on how to get yourself prepared to win these scholarships, as well as scholarship updates across the globe. Please do well to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know whenever I upload new videos. I believe this is a life-changing opportunity, and I know that you're going to grab that. Please share this video and let it get to as many as possible who are looking for scholarship updates, and not just the scholarship update, also looking for how to get prepared to win this scholarship. So today I'm going to be introducing you to a scholarship that can fund your PhD from a BSc straight to a PhD study. You don't necessarily need to have a master's degree. And today we are going to Ulster University in the UK. So in Ulster University, you have the ability to go for a PhD scholarship without necessarily having a master's degree. So we are the university homepage, and in a short while I'm going to show you guys how to navigate to the scholarship page. So we can do a simple Google search. We can type Ulster University, and the first link that comes over here, we can get into the university's homepage, and we can scroll down. We can see where we have the PhD scholarships. We can click on PhD scholarship over here. Then, because we are looking for a PhD, we can go and click on this find a PhD. So when we get to this page, we will see lots and lots of PhD opportunities. Because we have a vast majority of PhD opportunities here, we need to use the filter over here. So we need to check for open for all students, and then secondly, we need to filter by funding because we need funding. So if we use this filter, we can see open for all students. So when we use that, all the scholarships that are open for all students that are fully funded is going to show up here. So we have lots and lots and lots of PhD opportunities here. So please, you need to look around to find a research area that interests you or that fits your background or your future aspirations. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you guys an example of how to get that. So because we have lots and lots of opportunities and research areas, we can also filter by subject area. So a biomedical scientist, I'm going to click on biomedical sciences. So we have filtered strictly for funding, biomedical sciences, and those that are open for all students. So when we do that, we'll see list of all scholarship openings for a PhD in biomedical sciences. So for us to know what each of these research areas are, we have the names of the supervisor. We have eligibility. This is open for all student funded PhD, and the deadline for this is on the 26th of February 2024. So subject areas: biomedical science, campus, and you have faculty of life sciences and health sciences. So the next thing we need to do, if you want to go further, if you're interested in this topic, you can click on view opportunities over here, and here you will have a summary of what this project or research area is all about. So it is funded and is in life and health sciences. We have summary of the project. You can read on this summary and find out if that's what you're interested in. We have other important information. So we have applications for more than one PhD studentships are welcome. So you can apply to as many PhD studentship as you want. So however, if you apply for more than one PhD project within the biomedical sciences, your first application on the system will be deemed your first choice. So you can, for biomedical science, faculty of life sciences, you can apply to as many as 3 choices. So you may be offered your second or third choice project depending on the availability of this project. So, but very importantly, we need to get the essential criteria. Applicants should hold or expect to hold a first class or upper second class honors degree in a subject relevant to the proposed area of study. Secondly, is that they can also look out for applications for those who hold equivalent qualifications. If you have lower second class degree, but at least you should have a master's degree with a distinction. In exceptional circumstances, university may provide opportunity for applicants who have appropriate professional experience. So they also need students with sound understanding of the subject area, as evidenced by a comprehensive research proposal. So you need a research proposal for this application. Then a comprehensive and articulate personal statement. So you need a research proposal and a personal statement. So the next part is going to be the desirable criteria. So if the university receives a large number of applicants for the project, the following desirable criteria may be applied to shortlist applicants for interview. So the first stage is the shortlisting, the second stage is going to be for the interview. So they're going to be looking out for first class honors, completion of a master's at a level equivalent to a commendation or distinction at Ulster, practice-based research experience, work experience relevant to the proposed project, publication record appropriate to career stage, experience of presentation of research findings. So these are the criteria. So please check this out. The interesting part is the funding and eligibility. So the university offers the following levels of support. The one we are mostly interested in is the Vice Chancellor's Research Studentship. So here we have 3 of them. We have the full award, which covers your tuition fee, plus £19,000 for other maintenances. Also have part award. You also have fees only award. This one only covers for your tuition fee. So remember that this scholarship will cover full-time PhD tuition fees for 3 years. And this is subject to satisfactory academic performance. And we provide £900 per annum for research training support to help support the PhD researcher. So this opportunity is very, very robust, and I will encourage you to apply if you have if you have the relevant skills that they need for this. So you have other things you can also read up over here to be sure that you are eligible for this application. So let's check the next one. Let's filter by computing. Let's take this, and so we have this research area, AI powered care robots with situational awareness. Let's look at what this has to offer us. So we also have the summary of the research project, and then we'll also have the essential criteria, first class or upper second class honors. So they can also consider students with lower second class plus a master's degree and a distinction. Yes, desirable criteria, first class honors, then you should have masters at least at 75%, completion of masters, your relevant research experiences, sound understanding of the subject area. Of course, you need a proposal, publication, peer review. So the funding aspect and the eligibility for this particular project, it covers full funding and about £19,000. Then you have part award, you have fees only award. So we need to check that out. So please note, you will automatically be entered into the competition for the full award unless you state otherwise in your application. So as soon as you tender all your application portfolio, you will be automatically considered for the full award, which is this first one here. So which gives you full funding for your PhD studies. So you can also, you have a link for the application here. Here you need a personal statement. Rather, you need a research proposal. Let's see how that works. Let's see, let's check for modern languages and linguistics. Okay, We have linguistics. Okay, let's check on this and see what we have. We have this summary and research areas, then essential criteria, of course, a first class and second class upper. Okay, they can also consider students with a lower second class honors and a master's degree with distinction, relevant research methods, research experience, sound understanding of the subject area, basically the same thing. First class honors degree is welcomed as well, and they also have the same tuition. So please look around and look for the research project that fits your career and your interest, and read up more in details to find out what else you need to do, or if there are other criteria that you need to meet up with to apply for this. Before you apply, make sure that you have all the relevant information and documents. If it requires your research proposal, your personal statements, and other things, your CVs, please make sure they are ready before you hit on apply. Let's look at the English requirements. Eligibility criteria. Okay, so let's look at English language qualification. So basically in the UK, they will definitely require you to write IELTS or any other acceptable standardized test. So we want to see if they waive English test. So we can click on view few list of accepted tests. So we can get down there and we'll see that they actually need English standardized test, but they have a waiver. So we have here accepted English language qualification. So you need to check and find out if your country is among those that have English qualification waiver. So we have Cameroon GCE O level. So then for those in the West Africa, you have your WAEC, NECO. There are no time limits. Some schools will tell you that there are time limits. So, but you need to provide a copy of your WAEC or your NECO scratch card for the West African countries, which will conceal a PIN that is required to verify the results presented. So you need a minimum of C6. I'll be waiting for good news that we have won most of these scholarships that we are looking for. So looking over here, please look around my page. I've prepared various videos for you. Please consider subscribing, share, view, and send to as many as you can to enjoy the benefits and the dividends of what this channel provides. I will see you around in the next video.